Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The rolling VWAP indicator is an indicator designed to be used on intraday charts as it resets at the beginning of the day. This means the VWAPs cannot be used on daily, weekly, or monthly charts. Instead, the rolling VWAP indicator uses a time period that automatically adjusts to the chart's time frame. Therefore, this indicator can be used on any chart that indicates volume information in its data feed. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, type the keyword rolling VWAP and select the EP version by TradingView. As we can see, here is the trading indicator. Before I proceed to educate you about how this trading indicator works, I need to highlight indicators and their purpose so you can have a quick understanding of how the indicator works. To do this, we need to right-click on the indicator. Here are the parameter settings of the indicator. It's advisable to leave the default settings. By default, the indicator uses an auto-stepping mechanism to adjust the time period of its moving window to the chart's time frame. As we can see under the inputs parameters, there's the time period that shows the chart time frames. This indicator uses these parameter inputs to specify a fixed time period, which you can express in any combination of days, hours, and minutes. By default, the time period currently used is displayed in the lower right corner of the chart here. The indicator's parameter inputs allow traders to hide the display or change its size and location. Under the Style Input section, there's the rolling VWAP, the tables, the labels, and the values options. How can we use the rolling VWAP indicator to generate trading signals in the market? In order to have the best possible profitable result when buying and selling with this indicator, it's recommended to apply it to trade in the direction of the market trend. In a bullish trend, wait for a bearish pullback of price to hit the rolling VWAP indicator, as the examples we can see on this chart. The next step is to buy once price ensures a strong bullish candlestick close above the rolling VWAP indicator. As we can see on this chart, the bullish close of price above this indicator leads to the continuation of the bullish trend in this market. The best point to apply stop loss would be at the swing low of the bullish crossover of price above the indicator. Traders can trail their profit as the bullish trend continues upward. Traders can close their buy trade whenever price makes a bearish swing and close below the rolling VWAP indicator. Likewise, to implement the rolling VWAP indicator for the continuation of a bearish trend, Step 1. Wait for a bullish pullback of price to hit the rolling VWAP indicator as the examples we can see on this chart. Step 2. Sell once a strong bearish candlestick closes below the rolling VWAP indicator. Ensure there's a high volume at the zone of crossover of price below the rolling VWAP indicator. As we can see on this chart, the bearish close of price below this indicator leads to the continuation of the bearish trend in this market. The best point to apply stop loss would be at the top of the lower high swing of the bearish crossover of price below the indicator. Traders can trail their profit as the bearish trend continues downward. Traders can close their sell trade whenever price makes a bullish swing and closes above the rolling VWAP indicator. You can see this indicator is one of the best and easiest trading indicators for swing trading strategy. Remember, in order to have a high winning probability, make sure you implement it to trade a trending market.